Toyota infotainment systems include Entune for older models and Toyota Audio Multimedia for 2021 and newer vehicles. These systems can sometimes experience glitches that require resetting. A reboot or soft reset restarts the system to clear temporary memory and fix issues like freezing screens. For Toyota Audio Multimedia in 2021 and newer models like RAV4 and Highlander, navigate to Settings, then System, then Reset Options, and select Reboot. For legacy Entune in pre-2021 models like Prius and Camry, hold the power and volume buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen restarts. A factory reset erases all data, including paired devices and settings, and should be used for persistent issues like Bluetooth corruption. For newer systems, go to Settings, System, Reset Options, Factory Reset. For older Entune, navigate to Settings, General Reset, Factory Reset. Remember to perform these resets while the vehicle is in park and ensure the battery is fully charged to avoid incomplete resets. Bluetooth problems like disconnects or pairing failures are common in Toyota infotainment systems. Let's explore how to fix them and important considerations to keep in mind. Common Bluetooth problems include frequent disconnects and pairing failures. These can disrupt your driving experience. First, try deleting the paired device. Navigate to Settings, then Bluetooth, and select Forget Device for the problematic connection. Next, restart the infotainment system to clear any temporary glitches that might be causing the Bluetooth problem. Finally, repair your device by searching for it in the Bluetooth menu and completing the connection process. If the basic steps don't resolve the Bluetooth issues, a factory reset of the infotainment system is often necessary. Key considerations: always check for over-the-air updates through the Toyota app before manual resets, as many issues are fixed automatically. Back up your data before a factory reset. Remember, resets only affect the infotainment system and don't impact vehicle safety features. If problems continue, consult your Toyota dealer. Keep your system updated to minimize future issues. Toyota's recent updates include automatic reconnection protocols designed to minimize these Bluetooth problems.